Hi guys, in this video I will share with you how to make contact info visible on Instagram. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram app and then just click in your profile picture on the button right. After that, edit profile and then just scroll down and then click profile display, and you see here display contact info, just turn it on. After that, click done. This is what you need to do if you want to make contact info visible on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.